I just want to thank you guys for always sticking around and with all these perks, we also got a huge amount of 1,40,000 from the YouTube team. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Help me hit 100k soon because I am planning on doing a huge giveaway for you all. So that would be amazing. I'm not sure if you're watching me for the first time, but if you are, I have been mentioning this that more than 70% of my audience, they aren't subscribed to my channel, which is so sad. I give you all so many good reasons to subscribe and you should. Such a month, you should. It's just gonna take less than a minute. Just hit the red subscribe button, join the family, and we can have a lot of fun together. Anyways, today's video is very special and you can already tell how excited I am. If you follow me on Instagram, a few days back I posted a story where I shared a lot of equipments that I got from the YouTube team, and so many of you were confused as in why I got this, how I got this. So in today's video, I'll be answering all your questions. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and without any further ado, let's begin. If you don't know already, I am a part of the YouTube Next Up Beauty Creators Camp. I'm sure a lot of you guys don't know what is YouTube Next Up. I was one of you, so I'll explain everything in detail, don't worry. So Next Up is a campaign that YouTube runs every year for creators to help them grow, achieve their goals, to help them up their production skills, and also help them to understand and analyze how YouTube works. So there are different types of workshops on different topics held under this particular campaign, and this time YouTube India held this competition exclusively for beauty creators in India, and I believe this is the first time that a beauty creator camp is happening in India, which is a yay. So coming on to how I got into this. So I received an email from YouTube this year around February or March. I'm not really sure, but it was around that time. And it was mentioned that this year YouTube Next Up is being held for beauty creators in collaboration with L'Oréal Paris. And if I want to be a part of it, I'll have to fill a form. I must say the form was very long. It had so many questions that I had to answer. It was regarding my channel. There were questions like what are my goals, what makes me different from other beauty creators in India, how I see my channel in the next few years, to name a few. Honestly speaking, initially I was not in a mood to fill the form because I am a person who doesn't get things very easily. I have to work really hard to get or achieve something. So I kind of knew even if I fill the form, I'm not gonna make it. It's just waste of time and all that, and I was not in a mood to fill the form at all. But my sister really insisted that I should fill out the form. Even if I don't get selected, I should at least try. At this point, I did not know what Next Up was. And after sending out the form, I did my research and I found that Next Up is a campaign that YouTube runs. And the videos that I saw on YouTube were vlogs by past Next Up winners. I'm telling you, after watching those videos, I was feeling so anxious because only top 12 winners are selected from all over the country, and thinking about the fact that my firm will be competing against hundreds of different firms really made me nervous. And then I was like, let it go, sab bhagwan bharose hai. And after a few weeks, I got an email that I was selected for the next round. I had to fill out a form again. I did that. Usme bhi काफी सारे questions थे, and everything was confidential, you guys. I was not allowed to share any information with anybody. I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but people were eligible only if they had subscribers between 10,000 to 100k subscribers. People having subscribers between this range were only eligible for this campaign. Anyways, after that I had to undergo a few more procedures, and finally one day I got an email that congratulations, you are one of the top 12 Next Up Beauty creators. And I literally started crying. I was crying like a baby. And thinking about the fact that YouTube recognizes my work, YouTube knows me, literally blew my mind. And being selected as top 12 from all over the country was surreal to me. I was very excited to know that who were the other 11 creators. I must tell you, these 11 beautiful ladies here are so kind, so down to earth, so beautiful, and they literally inspire me every day. Everyone is exceptionally talented in their own way, and trust me, they are worth watching and following. I'll leave everyone's channel name down below. Definitely check them out. Also, one thing, because of COVID, this time Next Up is kind of different, because usually Next Up 5 to 7 days का workshop होता है, and सारे top 12 creators physically एक destination पे जाते हैं to attend the workshop. But this year, because of COVID, everything is happening virtually, and this time ka Next Up is not for 1 week, it is for 4 months, which is a yay. All thanks to COVID. At least COVID ने कुछ तो अच्छा किया. So we have been having our workshops, classes every week. It has been so insightful and informative. I've been enjoying every class, and I get to learn something new every week. So thank you so much, YouTube, for considering me worth it. And the best part is that it is in collaboration with L'Oreal. We have been having our meetings with the L'Oreal team as well. And we also shot 2 videos for the L'Oreal Paris YouTube page. I'll link that down below. With all these perks, we also got a huge amount of 1,40,000 from the YouTube team to upgrade our equipments, and I got so many things, you guys. It is crazy. I have literally upgraded my entire setup, from camera, lens, mic, stand, tripod, you name it. I have upgraded that. I'll share everything that I've got under this budget. Starting off with the most expensive one, I got the Tamron 2470 lens. I'll show you the body of the lens. It is so big. This is how the lens looks like. It is giant. It is almost the same size of my face, and it is very heavy. Next, I got these video LED lights with soft boxes. As of now, I am very restricted that I have to film in this room itself. But with my LED light and softbox, I'll be able to move around the house and film in different locations. So that's that, and it was a must for me. I had to get one. I also got this backdrop stand with this white cloth, so I can change my background. I will be getting more colors, but as of now, I only have white. I also got a very heavy duty tripod from Digitech, because the one I had earlier, it was very flimsy and मेरा camera कभी भी गिर सकता था उसमें. So I had to get a tripod. I got that. I also got a boom stand to mount my mic. I also got the Boya microphone and the SanDisk 64 GB memory card. And lastly, I also got a spare battery. Always have spare batteries. If you're a creator, it's very, very important. Since I was upgrading everything, I also upgraded my camera, but I got this from my own money. So I got the Canon EOS R with the mount adapter. I believe EOS R is one of the best mirrorless budget cameras in the market. It is loved by so many people, and I'm so happy with this purchase. I'm still trying to figure out the settings because it is a little complicated. So I'm still learning how to use this camera, and I'm still trying to figure out a proper setup with these equipments. I am beyond grateful that I'm a part of YouTube Next Up. Receiving all these equipments is the price of all the hard work that I've been doing solely without anyone's help throughout these years. It has been a journey, it has been a struggle. I started from zero. I've built everything on my own, and I'm extremely proud of myself. I am a little emotional while talking. It's incredible, you know. It's mind-blowing, and yeah, I just want to thank you guys for always sticking around, and thank you guys for sticking around, for supporting me no matter what. I want to thank my family for believing in me. I also want to thank the YouTube team for all this and for recognizing my work. But most importantly, I want to thank God for giving me the energy to work hard. I know I'm not a very successful YouTuber, but being 60,000 strong is a lot. It is a lot for me. So that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope I cleared all your doubts, and if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel so I can hit 100k soon. Follow me on Instagram if you want to be in touch, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, munchkins. Mwah.